Video 11. In this video we are going to see what is the meaning of conditional probability. Conditional probability. So let me explain by using an example. Consider the experiment. Consider the experiment of tossing two dice together. Then its sample space is given by S is equal to 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, then starting with 2, starting with 3, finally starting with 6 6 1 6 2, etc., finally 6 6. There are 36 points in the sample space, throwing or tossing two dice together. Let A be event of getting 5, getting the number 5 in the first die. Event of getting 5 in the first die. Let B be event of getting the sum 10, sum of numbers in both dice, getting the sum 10. So because we are throwing two dice, getting the sum, then what is our A? A is the set consisting of getting 5 in the first dice. First die means 5 in the first die means it is 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. So there are 6 points in A. Then B is the event of getting the sum 10 means 4 6, 6 4, 5 5. Now we raise two questions now. Question number 1 is, what is the probability that the first die showing 5? This is one question. Second question is, what is the probability that the first die showing 5, given that the sum is 10? So both questions up to showing 5, same thing. Here additional thing is given that the sum is 10. Now here what we say is probability. What is the probability? First die showing 10 means it is P of A. In the second one we denote by the symbol the same A, given that subject to the condition that sum is 10, that is P of A by B, that is the condition probability of A given B. This is conditional probability of A given Now solution. In the first case, our P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. No additional condition. N of A by N of S. N of A is 6. N of S is equal to 36. So the probability is 1 by 6. The second one, the conditional probability P of A by B is equal to the occurrence. What we'll have to do is, what is this one? Among these, B has already occurred. Given that the sum is 10, that is B has already occurred. One of these three has come. Now what is the probability that the first die is 5? That is only this. So therefore the probability is 1 out of 3. So here this has already occurred. This has happened. What is the probability that the first die showing 5? So therefore 1 over 3. This 1 over 3, what we can write is, what is our 1? This 1 is, this 5 comma 5 is the only element common between A and B. We can say N of A intersection 1. There is only one element common between these two. By this 3 is N of B. This is equal to N of A intersection B by divide by N of S by N of B by N of S equal to N of A intersection B by N of S is our probability of A intersection B. N of B by N of S is probability of B. So the conditional probability means the sample space differs. In the first case, the sample space is the whole thing, 36 points, consisting 36 points. In the second case, the sample space is only B. So, in fact, what we can write is, by P of A, we mean P of A by S. Whenever we write P of A, it with reference to the sample space S. So here, P of A means the sample space is S. When P of A by B means the sample space is going to be our B. So in P of A by S, comma, the sample space is S. When you write P of A by B, in P of A by B, the sample space reduces to B. So therefore this is what is called the conditional probability, given that the sum is 10. So the first question is with respect to probability whose sample space is the whole thing. In the second one, the sample space is different. That is, given that the sum is 10 means the sample space is only B. In this sample space, what is our favorable outcome? A favorable outcome is getting 5 in the first die. That is only 1. So 1 out of 3. This is 1 out of 6, whereas this is 1 out of 3. So this is the main difference between probability and the conditional probability. So this completes video 11.